Introducing HellermannTyton's Wedge Clip, the edge clip that holds tight in extreme duty applications. 3 wedge clip sizes let you run wires, cables, and hoses along any industrial surface with a mounting edge up to 1/2 inch thick, without drilling. Add a heavy-duty or wide-strap cable tie to attach bundles in the desired orientation. So let's install one. First, make sure the mounting surface is clean. Each wedge clip has a strip of 3M VHB adhesive to simplify locating the clip with one hand. Just press, then squeeze the wedge inward until it's snug, and adjustable pliers will help. Make sure the clip's firmly attached without applying excessive force. Finally, secure the bundle and use a HellermannTyton Evo Series hand tool to tension and trim the cable tie. To learn more about the wedge clip, contact your HellermannTyton sales representative or visit HellermannTyton.com.